What you doing, Gavin? Hi, Natalie.
I want some cookies. I want some cookies in my bucket.
Okay, you want me to open them for you?
No,
What do you say?
please.
Okay. There you go.
How about putting it?
Oh, look at all those cookies. You should go get your baking pan. It's in the basket. The top basket all the way on the left. Yeah, put your cookies on the baking pan.
Open it.
What you got, Gavin? A wrench? Hi, Koji. Hi, Coco. You attacking Coco, Gavin? Okay, also Coco. Can you stand up and walk for me? Go get the cars.
Yeah.
Go get the cars. Can you go get Natalie? Mally, let me see your cute outfit you have on. Can you turn around so Mommy can see your cute shirt?
I'm okay, Mommy. I'm done.
Okay.
I'll get my cookie in my basket.
Be nice to Coco, Gavin. Turn around. Let me see the front of you. Oh, that's cute. Very cute. What do you have in your basket?
I know.
You don't know?
There's cookie in my bucket.
There's cookies, okay. Gavin, what you doing? Gavin. Hi, Coco. Hi, Gavin. Did you want to do anything fun and special?
Gaga. Close your eyes.
Why do you want me to close my eyes? What? I can't hear you when you whisper.
There's cookie in my bucket.
There's cookies in your bucket.
Yeah.
You better move them. Gavin wants them. So Gavin is almost 12 and a half months old. Still no walking, although he can do it. He just doesn't want to.
What are you doing, Mommy?
I'm trying to see if I can get Gavin to walk.
God can walk.
Can he have one? Sleepy, Natalie?
Yeah.
Why are you yawning? Gavin, come here. Come here. Come here. Come get your cup. So today he's wearing 24-month shirt and it's definitely not too big. Come here. Gavin, come here. Hey, be nice. Be nice. Uh-oh. All right, Gavin, can you say bye-bye? Good job. Good job. Natalie, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Say love you.
Bye.
Good job.